Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon bun hairstyle in less than 3 minutes. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail, and then I've taken a bun donut and cut a little bit off of it, and then I'm just rolling it up to make a small rectangular shape. Then we're going to create a hair bungee by attaching 2 bobby pins to a clear elastic band. And we're going to sweep the ponytail over to the left hand side and then insert one of the pins underneath from the bottom, stretch the other one up over the top of the ponytail and insert the pin going from the top to the bottom, making sure these cross over. Then we're going to place that bum padding in the middle of the head and secure it all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then taking that ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half and then loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. And do this all the way down to the bottom of the hair. And then all we're going to do is tie it off with another clear elastic, but only bring the ends part way through on the last turn to create a loop. This just makes pinning easier. And we're going to take that little twist and we're going to take it over to the right hand side. And using your fingers, pinch and pull at the top and bottom of each one of those little twist loops, just to give it some more volume. Then take that little loop at the end and just roll it under until you hit the side of the padding, and then just secure it to that right hand side with a few bobby pins. Then we're going to slip a few bobby pins through the length of the twist at the top and bottom. This just keeps everything nice and secure. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.